Today's lesson, interconversion of chlorobenzene and aniline. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert chlorobenzene to aniline and aniline to chlorobenzene. So, let's get started. Interconversion of chlorobenzene and aniline. First of all, chlorobenzene to aniline. Only the step. This is phenyl chloride or chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is heated at 200 degrees Celsius temperature with ammonia in presence of cupric oxide, then chlorobenzene turns into aminobenzene, which is also known as aniline. Here, HCl is formed as byproduct. So, this is the reaction through which chlorobenzene is converted to aniline. Now let us see conversion of aniline to chlorobenzene. Now, aniline to chlorobenzene. Step 1. Aniline is treated with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid is a kind of unstable acid. It is obtained from mixture of sodium nitrite and concentrated hydrochloric acid, and the reaction is conducted at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. As a consequence, aniline turns into benzene diazonium chloride. Here, water is formed as byproduct. So, this is aniline, from which we get benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is obtained from aniline. Step 2. When benzene diazonium chloride is heated at 100 degrees Celsius temperature with copper chloride and HCl, then benzene diazonium chloride changes to chlorobenzene. Nitrogen is formed as byproduct. So we get chlorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride, and this reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. After switch chemist Traugott Sandmeyer So we got chlorobenzene from aniline, interconversion of chlorobenzene and aniline. No more today. Thank you very much.